pip is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program, or batch file. Now, if you're seeing this error, the first thing I did was check if Python was actually installed on my system. To do that, I ran this command python -- version, and as soon as I pressed enter, it showed me the Python version number. In my case, it showed Python 3.10.11. So that told me Python was already installed and working correctly. The problem wasn't Python, the problem was that the pip command wasn't being recognized in command prompt. So instead of wasting time reinstalling Python, I tried a different approach. Normally, most guys tell you to run pip install -r requirements.txt. But since pip wasn't working, I used Python to launch pip directly. I ran this command instead, py-m pip install -r requirements.txt. Again, that's py-m pip install -r requirements.txt. Again, that's py-m pip install -r requirements.txt. After running that command, the installation started immediately. You can see it began downloading the required packages and everything worked normally. So if you're getting the error, pip is not recognized as an internal or external command, first check if Python is installed by running python -- version. If you see a version number, don't rush to reinstall Python. Just try using py-m pip install -r requirements.txt. And for a lot of people, that's all it takes to fix the issue.